Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel RT with the Learning Spot. Myself T. Ramlal. I am working as maths faculty and trainer since last 10 years. And thanks to everyone who watched my last two videos on multiplication methods, lattice method and grid method. Before that, kindly do share, subscribe and click on bell icon button for more notifications. So before going to today's topic on multiplication method, let us discuss a small thing on multiplication, importance of multiplications. Why is multiplication important? You maybe think a calculator can easily solve large sums, so is multiplication really that important? So learning times table by rote is one of the fundamental building blocks of a child education for a reason. We all know how essential math is for personal life and growth and success. Not only does arithmetic skills help ease the transition into adult life, but it can be strengthen one's talent into other subjects like science, social, etc. A good knowledge of multiplication can give a child a sense of independency and teach them to think on their own by reducing over-reliance technology. It can be considered a form of daily mental training that can considerably improve cognitive functions. So boosting your child brain power to help them achieve a goal and foster long-term self-confidence. So multiplication is the main tool for many forms of math such as algebra, calculus, equations and more. The ability to rehearse and understand multiplications up to and including 12 by a final year of primary school will enable your child to confidently and skillfully tackle more complex mathematical subjects. So that's why the multiplication is most important. For a reason, I have chosen this topic, how to teach in different methods multiplications. Coming to the today's topic, multiplication method, one of the multiplication method. Before that, my previous video, I have done my previous video on one of the multiplication method, box or grid method. How to do multiplication by using this box or grid method. I have been explained. If you want to watch it again, please go through my link which I have been said in my description box. In that video, I have asked one question that what kind of prerequisites or what kind of previous knowledge should a student have to learn this box method. So few people answered me and commented in that video. So for that box or grid method, pre-conceptual knowledge is required. Place and face values. Students should be able to know place and face values. The same way he is or she is able to write numbers in expanded form, and he should know tables up to 9 and additions of 3-digit numbers. If a child have this kind of preconceptual knowledge, then the students can do multiplication by using box or grid method. So thanks those who are commented and said their answer in the previous video. Let's see today's topic, one of the multiplication method, that is Criss-Cross method. This method is also can be called as vertical, horizontal, vertical and cross multiplication method. In Vedic maths, it is vertical and cross multiplication method. It can also be named as Criss-Cross method. See what is Criss-Cross method and how can you do multiplication by using this Criss-Cross method. Let's see. Before that, you just fix the learning outcomes of this particular topic. You know already that I explained that what is learning outcomes and how to fix it. For this Criss-Cross method, these are two learning outcomes, multiplications of 2-3 digits, and student can express the multiplication in vertical and cross method. So then again think about the preconceptual knowledge. As I told previously, each and every topic there should be a pre-conceptual requirement be needed to a student. For this topic, students should know place and face values, one thing. Second thing is tables up to 9. So do you observe one thing here? The student should be able to know place values, face values and table up to 9 to do multiplication, any kind of multiplication. These two things are very important. And then small additions. So based on these prerequisites, students can do any kind of multiplication by using any kind of method. So before teaching multiplication, as a teacher, we have to verify whether the students are having a particular pre-conceptual requirements on that topic. That is the very important thing. In each and every video, I am explaining about this pre-conceptual knowledge. What kind of pre-conceptual knowledge students should have to teach any kind of new concept. That is the very important for a teacher to teach in the classroom. And see what is Criss-Cross method and how can you multiply by using this Criss-Cross method. Let's see one example. That is a multiplication of 2-digit number without carry. That is no carry, no borrow. In this case, we will take this example, 12 into 23. Multiply 12 into 23. Multiplication of 12 into 23 by using Criss-Cross method. See, observe what kind of steps to be followed here. The steps are to be followed for this Criss-Cross method. The first step is that multiply last 2-digit numbers first. That is right multiplication. That means 2 into 3. 2 into 3 comes 6. Again, just partition it. Then step 2. Step 2, you can multiply crossly. That means cross multiplication and then add those two answers. So see, 1 and 3 will get answer 3. 2 and 2 will get answer 4. Then add these two digits, we will get answer 7. This is second step. Second step is that cross multiplication of digits and then add the answers. And third step is multiply the last two digits and right here. That is left multiply. That is 1 into 2 will get answer 2. So the answer is multiplication of 12 and 23, that is 276. This is the Criss-Cross method or vertical cross multiplication. Let's see another example. Multiplication of 2-digit number with carry. Example 35 into 13. By using Criss-Cross method, the first step is multiply unit digits first. 3 into 5, then we will get answer 15. Then cross multiplication of digits. 3 into 3 we will get 9. 1 into 5 we will get 5. Then add both 9 and 5, we will get answer 14. And 1 into 5, tens place digits multiplication. 1 into 3, then we will get answer 3. Think here 35 and 13. That means 2 digit means is a base 10 value. Base 10, it is called as base 10. For base 10, the zero, only one zero is there. In base 10, only one zero is there. That means in units place, the digit should be 1. That means we have to write 5 is units place value. And then carry the remaining number 1 to the next number. That means 14 plus 1, that is 15. In that 15, again you have to write 5 here and then carry the remaining number 1 to the next. Then add both 3 plus 1, then we will get answer 4. So the multiplication of 35 into 13 by using Criss-Cross method, we will get answer 454. The same problem you can do by using our grade school method, regular method. How can you do? Just multiply 35 into 13, same, you multiply first one digit numbers, that is 3 into 5, 15, and then 3 into 3, that is 9. But you have to write here 9 as 90. Why? Because in 35, 3 is at tens place. That means that is 30. The value of 3 is 30. 30 into 3, 90. And again multiply 1 into 5, that is 5, but you have to write it as 50. Why? Because 1 is at tens place. That means that is 10. 10 into 5, 50. Again multiply 1 into 3, that means 3, but 3 should be written at 100 place. Why? Because 3 is at 100 place, sorry, tens place, 1 is at tens place. So 10 into 10, that is 100. So it should be 100's place. So or 30 into 10, we will get 300. Then add all these numbers, we will get the same answer, 455. Multiplication of 35 into 13, we will get an answer 455. So this is all about Criss-Cross method versus grade school method. So in Criss-Cross method, you can multiply 4-digit or 3-digit numbers also. So friends, all this about Criss-Cross method. In my coming videos, I will explain about how to do multiplication by using Vedic mathematics or shortcut methods. So up to that, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click bell icon buttons for more notifications. Thank you.